Welcome to the Misconceptions of the IT Industry. In this episode, I'm going to talk about the importance of having good communication as an IT professional. Effective communication is a key skill for any professional, but is especially important for those in the IT field. IT professionals are often called upon to explain complex technical concepts to non-technical users. They also need to be able to collaborate effectively with other members of their team. Without effective communication, it will be extremely difficult to get any work done. What is effective communication? Effective communication in the technology field refers to the ability to clearly and effectively convey information and ideas related to technology to a variety of audiences, including technical and non-technical people. One of the main challenges that IT professionals face when communicating is the need to convey technical information to non-technical audiences. This can be difficult because technical language and concepts can be difficult for non-technical people to understand. To overcome this challenge, IT professionals need to be able to explain technical concepts in simple, easy to understand language. Another important aspect of communication for IT professionals is the ability to listen actively and respond effectively. This means not just hearing what the other person is saying, but also understanding their perspective and responding in a way that addresses their concerns. Active listening is important because it helps to build trust and establish positive relationships with colleagues and clients. Another important aspect of communication for IT professionals is the ability to collaborate effectively with other members of their team. This is especially important in today's fast-paced, highly connected business environment where teams are often spread out across different locations and time zones. The professionals need to be able to communicate effectively both verbally and in writing in order to be able to collaborate effectively with their colleagues. Effective communication also involves understanding the different communication styles and preferences of different team members. For example, some people prefer to communicate in person, while others prefer to communicate via email or instant messaging. IT professionals need to be able to adapt their communication style to suit the needs of their team members in order to be able to collaborate effectively. Effective communication is also important when it comes to managing projects. IT professionals need to be able to communicate clearly and effectively with their team members in order to ensure that projects are completed on time and within budget. They also need to be able to communicate effectively with clients and stakeholders in order to ensure that projects meet their needs and expectations. Another important aspect of communication for IT professionals is the ability to communicate clearly and effectively in written form. This includes everything from writing emails to creating technical documentation to drafting reports and proposals. Clear, concise, and well-written communication is essential for ensuring that stakeholders understand the details of a project or problem and that they are able to make informed decisions based on the information provided. For example, let's say that you are an IT professional working on a project to implement a new software system for a client's business. One of the main challenges that you'll face is communicating effectively with the client's non-technical stakeholders, such as the CEO and other managers. These stakeholders may not have a technical background and may not understand the technical details of the software and system. In this situation, it's essential that you are able to explain the technical concepts related to the software and system in simple, easy to understand language. This may involve creating visual aids, such as flowcharts or diagrams, to help explain the system's functionality. Additionally, you'll need to actively listen to the stakeholders' concerns and address them in a way that is easy for them to understand. Another important aspect of communication in this scenario would be collaboration with your team members. As you work on the project, you'll need to be able to communicate effectively with your team members to ensure that everyone is on the same page. This may involve setting up regular meetings or check-ins and using collaboration tools like Slack or Microsoft Teams to communicate in real time. Additionally, you'll need to be mindful of different communication styles and preferences of your team members and adapt your own communication style to suit their needs. Effective communication also involves understanding the importance of cultural diversity in the workplace. IT professionals often work with colleagues and clients from different cultural backgrounds. Understanding and respecting different cultures and communication styles is essential for building positive relationships and ensuring effective collaboration. As you can see, effective communication is critical for the success of the project and encompasses many aspects of the job. By developing and honing your communication skills, you can become a more effective and successful IT professional and help ensure that the project is completed on time and meets the client's expectations. As an IT professional, when communicating to your clients or employer, you must be clear and concise. Ensure your messages are easy to understand and avoid technical jargon unless necessary. Actively listen, pay attention to what others are saying, and ask clarifying questions to ensure understanding. Be empathetic. Put yourself in the shoes of the person you're communicating with and understand their perspective. Adapt your communication style. Tailor your communication style to the audience, whether it's technical or non-technical. Use visual aids, use diagrams, flowcharts, and other visual aids to help simplify complex concepts. For written communication, ensure your emails, reports, and other written documents are well structured and easy to read. Confirm understanding. After communicating, ask if the recipient understands and provide further clarification if necessary. When you know you are going to be speaking to a large groups of people, practice clear, confident, and articulate speech when presenting or in meetings. By incorporating these tips, you can improve your communication skills and effectively convey technical information to your colleagues and clients. Also, remember that poor or ineffective communication in the IT industry can have several consequences, which can include misunderstandings. When communication is not clear, it's easy for misunderstandings to occur, leading to mistakes and errors. Reduce productivity. Inefficient communication can waste time and resources, slowing down projects and reducing overall productivity. Decrease morale. Poor communication can lead to frustration and a lack of trust among team members, lowering morale and motivation. Missed deadlines. Miscommunication can result in missed deadlines and failed projects, damaging the reputation of the company and the IT team. Increased errors. Poor communication can lead to errors and bugs in software and other IT systems, leading to further delays and increased costs. Decreased customer satisfaction. Ineffective communication with clients and customers can result in confusion and frustration, leading to decreased customer satisfaction and potential loss of business. Therefore, it's important for those working in the IT industry to focus on improving their communication skills to avoid these consequences and ensure successful projects and satisfied customers. Finally, IT professionals need to be able to effectively communicate under pressure. This is a crucial trait for IT professionals. This can include the ability to swiftly troubleshoot and communicate a resolution plan during critical situations, as well as delivering presentations and proposals to clients within tight deadlines. Keeping a level head and being able to articulate information clearly and concisely is essential for success in the technology industry. Additionally, IT professionals should be knowledgeable about current and emerging technologies and able to educate stakeholders on their potential benefits and limitations, enabling informed decision-making and driving business improvement. In summary, effective communication plays a vital role in the success of IT professionals. It enables clear and effective information exchange, team collaboration, project management, and efficient navigation of the demanding business environment. To achieve success in the IT field, it's crucial to cultivate and improve your communication abilities. Effective communication encompasses not only delivering information, but also fostering positive relationships, comprehending and valuing diverse perspectives, adapting to varying communication methods, proficiently communicating through writing, and maintaining composure and focus in high-pressure situations. By investing in your communication skills, you will be well positioned for success in the IT industry. This episode of the Misconceptions of the IT Industry, the importance of effective communication in the tech field, has came to an end. Stay tuned for a future episode of the Misconceptions of the IT Industry. Until then, farewell.